So what's up guys, this is Nasha. So today we are going to make a totally different video. So we are going to review a hosting company name Hosting Spell. So guys, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. So let's get started.
Login accepted.
So guys, this company is an Indian based company started from 2018. So it's a new hosting company, not like the others. And another point to be noted is that this company does not have their own servers. But guys, the advantage of this hosting is that they provide DigitalOcean servers which are great for web styles, but still they use it as a shared hosting, means it's been shared among many users. And talking about their plan, they provide which plans with 2 GB RAM limit on every plan, so it's a great. So I am testing the plan of 800 rupees. So guys, talking about the web interface, they have the modest look in the web interface, means it's not a old looking, so you just have all the controls, and they use the cPanel, so which we will look ahead. So guys, talking about the server response time, this server awesome, means you can see the server response time less than 10 ms, except in Germany it's 18 ms. It's incredible. So guys, talking about the performance of the site, so I have tested my own jncourse.com site, so you can see the performance, and the time to first byte is very less compared, means it's a normal performance, it's not that, means it's a very average. So it's great providing such cheap plans. By the way, I am using a cache plugin, so at its server uses the Lightspeed servers, so I am using the Lightspeed cache plugin. So guys, talking about the technology, they are using the latest cPanel Cloud Linux, and the Nginx server is wrong. It's they are using the Lightspeed server. They have to edit, I think so. It's a mistake. I don't know. So you can see the cPanel interface. So guys, talking about the uptime of the servers, so it's incredible. I am getting 99.9% uptime, so uptime is a major factor. So guys, talking about the load test, so I have been put at my main website gncode.com, which has roughly 100 users per day, so it didn't notice any lag. So talking about the data center, they currently have data centers in USA and India, so they can add more as they're using DigitalOcean servers. So guys, talking about the backups of the site, they take daily backups of your files, databases, cron jobs, etc, etc, etc. You can check them. So guys, talking about the customer support, they provide a very fast customer support. Within almost 20 minutes I get the answer, so it's nice. So guys, the payment methods supported by the hosting company are Razor Pay, which includes many methods like net banking, credit cards, etc. So about the money back, this hosting provides 7 days money back guarantee. So talking about the SSL, they provide free cPanel SSL, which is totally free. So guys, if you are one who is not techy, means you don't know how to shift your site, they provide free migration from cPanel to cPanel only. If your website is hosted in Hostinger or some other panels, so they will charge you a little bit of fee. About the pros of the hosting, they provide very cheap budget hosting on a DigitalOcean servers. The second point is that they provide Lightspeed servers, which is great for the WordPress. The third point is that they provide daily backups free of cost. The fourth point is that they provide free cPanel SSL, which is also free of cost. The fifth point is the DigitalOcean servers. As I told, it's great for the WordPress. And the sixth point is they provide 2 GB RAM limit on every hosting plans, even on the cheapest hosting DigitalOcean plans, not on the normal shared hosting plans. So guys, talking about the cons on the of the hosting, so I didn't notice any cons, only one the slow servers. So basically it's just shared hosting, so you might get sometimes a slow speed in the server, as many other users who is doing multitasking, means using a lot of a CPU, so it might affect you also, as it's a shared hosting. Otherwise it's a very good hosting and provided for very good price, so I would recommend them. So guys, talking about the final review of this hosting, should you buy this hosting or not? So I would recommend this hosting as it's too cheap with DigitalOcean servers and with the option of a USA and India server location. Plus they provide a easy to use cPanel with daily backups and free SSL. And don't forget about the 99.9% uptime guarantee. So it's great, means I also tested, I also got 99.9% uptime. So here was my review about this hosting company. So if you have any doubts, comment me down below. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe my channel. Bye guys, see you in the next video. Bye.